In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund from Facebook ads to your prepaid balance. Now, I'm going to start off this video by saying that this is not a surefire thing that you are going to get refunded, especially if the error is on your part. If maybe it's a Facebook error or you got hacked or so forth, as I've said in previous videos, then your chances of being refunded are much higher. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the left hand side of the screen and click on billing and payments. Now here you can see my current balance is 0, but what you want to do is scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you'll see get support. Click on that. Now in the get support section, you need to describe exactly what you need a refund for, so you'll add the ad ID as well as your account ID if necessary. And any information that you think will help speed up the process, because I'm sure you are learning now that Facebook is one of the worst companies when it comes to actual support. And when you're done filling out as much information as you can, hit next step, and Facebook will get back to you on the email that is linked to your account. So keep that in mind. I will also stress that it will not be fast. They are not going to get back to you immediately. They might not even get back to you in the same week, but that is Facebook, of course. But guys, that is the only way to request a refund. There is no extension. I've seen a video that requested you to download an extension. Do not do that. Only way is through Facebook support. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.